Today, me and my friend Hugo are taking Photoshop requests a little too literally.
Can someone edit the signs and shadow out?
Let's go ahead and remove these signs. Actually, wait, what did this one say? Private property, trespassers will be prosecuted? Well, that's not good. And right on cue, look who's just arrived. Let's just puppet warp her arm so the police officers are holding her. Let's bring this arm in front. This dude is defying gravity, so let's get him to spread his legs a little.
What did he say?
And let's color correct them both. And let's add some shadows.
She wants the signs and the shadow removed, so let's paint out these signs. But wait, if this isn't a private property, they won't need this fence anymore. Which means she got nothing to lean on, so she would probably fall off.
This is my husband's first surfing experience. Make him more visible.
Let's remove the surfboard. Now let's bring back his arm and the rest of his body, and it wouldn't be a surfing picture without a surfboard. But now we can't see his body. He's gonna need a better surfboard.
She wants her husband more visible, so I guess he should take a step on the right. But if he isn't holding the surfboard, it's just gonna fall. And I'll need to paint a shadow on the sand. But I guess he is more visible now.
Can someone please edit out the blonde on the left?
So she wants the blonde to be edited out. I can't lie, that's quite an odd request. But your wish is my command, so let's select her blonde hair. And now I should be able to just slide it out of here.
She wants to get rid of the blonde, but I'm no hair expert, so let's bring in a hairdresser. And he's gonna need some equipment too. Let's just change the color, and there you go, the blonde is gone.
Can you remove the buildings in the background?
She could actually do all of this herself. Let's bring her closer to the building. Perfect, let's give it a few minutes to light up. She might need to wait a while for the background to clear up.
Later that same evening.
She wants the buildings removed, but if I remove them, I guess the jungle would grow right back. So let's bring in some trees, and some more over here.
Can you remove the people in the background?
The winner gets their Adobe subscription paid for by the other, so tell us in the comments who you think won. This should be a fairly easy request. I just need to remove everyone in the back. That looks good. But wait, aren't the pyramids not just giant tombs? That means they'll be full of people, so I guess I need to try and remove all of those too. But now I'm left with a pile of old rocks. Maybe I should build something nice with them.
This guy wants the people in the background removed, so let's paint them out. But wait a minute, without her, the pyramids wouldn't be in such good shape, so you probably wouldn't come to see them either.
Can someone Photoshop a muskie into my buddy's hands?
Photoshop a muskie in my buddy's hands. I don't know what a muskie is, but here's a baby shark. Let's blend it into the scene. And it looks like it bit his arm off, so let's add some suspicious red liquid. But that's okay, I guess, because there is a first aid kit right here for you.
Here's his nice big fish. Let's puppet warp it so that it actually fits in his hands. And let's not forget to bring his fingers forward. But hang on, that fish looks really heavy. Surely that would topple the boat. Let's remove everything. This means I can bring back the boat. I'm flipping and rotating it so it's in the water. Let's color correct it. Add some shadows. The fish is now free, so let's plop him here.